welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing the pink look that I was wearing last time. I posted a picture on Instagram and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on it, and a lot of you guys said yes, so that's what we're doing today. The pink look, I love how it came out. I love wearing pink in my eyes, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get started with the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get started. I already prepped my face like always, and I'm gonna jump in right into foundation. And today the foundation that I'm gonna be using, again, it's the 24-hour Super Stay from Maybelline. And I don't think I need to explain this anymore to you guys because you guys have seen me do it a lot of times. Just gonna take my little beauty sponge and blend it all out. Okay, so now that my foundation is all blended out, I'm gonna do concealer. And once again, I'm going with the CoverGirl one, the new one that I love so much. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my little sponge. Sorry if you guys can hear noises. The kids are not here, but my dogs are inside and I think they're playing with something, so don't mind that. I'm destroying my house right now because that's what they do. Now I'm gonna set everything with my Earthspun setting powder. Today I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer to bronze my face. Last time someone said she was worried about my bronzer at the beginning when my face is like blank and then the first thing I do is my bronzer, and I know it does look a little crazy, but it all comes together at the end. And plus, I'm not a natural makeup kind of person. Like, I like to cake it up, you know? So yeah, I like a lot of bronzer, a lot of contour, not a lot of blush, but you know, I like a lot of makeup. I'm gonna contour. I was bronzing and I'm gonna contour now. Yes, I'm that extra. Oh, and I'm using my Anastasia contour kit. I don't even know if they still make these ones, but sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some blush, like always, Milani Luminoso. Always, always, always. And now I'm gonna bake under my contour. Okay, for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyebrow with the pencil, and then I'm gonna fill it all in with the powder, which is the Anastasia one, again, in caramel. Oh my god, you guys. Mia broke, out of all of them, the one I use. I'll be right back. gonna go in with my same concealer and my flat brush to clean out my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the eyes. I already have my whole face finished, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, the colorful one, and I think I'm gonna be using the orange colors and the pink. So now that we have the orange in the crease, I'm going to use the pink one, like the super bright pink one from the palette. But first, I'm going to grab my concealer brush and I'm gonna grab a little bit of concealer and put it on the lid so the pink can be brighter. Okay, so I am finished with the eyes. Now I'm gonna move on to my bottom lash line, and I'm gonna be adding again concealer on the bottom so the pink can look brighter. Okay, so this is all I'm going to do to the eyes. I'm gonna just set my face right now and then add some lashes. Now I'm gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Urban Decay All Nighter, as always. I'm by myself in a door and the house just closed by itself. Great! Now I'm not gonna get out of my makeup room. Anyways, the lashes that I'm gonna be using today are the Makeup Shack and Ivy. I love these lashes. So now it's time to do my lip, and I'm gonna be using the same thing, same lip liner as always. So I lined my lips already, and I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Crush. Guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I don't know, let me know what you guys want to see next. What kind of looks do you guys want to see? Fall looks, stuff like that. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much for watching.